Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me da 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 da.
Okay, what's up, y'all? So today is the Sunday before Labor Day, and so there's a lot. Well, we're cooking tomorrow, so I wanted to get some balloons. Okay, so it's the day before Labor Day, so I'm going to be cooking tomorrow at Damien's house. So I'm going to be getting some decorations so I can do the table. So I'm at Party City now, so I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I'm getting. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the pan section and stuff. So these are the pans that I like to get. I'm making stuffed salmon. So I wish they had them in just a silver background, which I don't understand why they don't. I think this is it. Let me see. I'm making stuffed salmon and shrimp. So I need the lids to go with them as well. So I got 2 lids. These are my 2 pans for my stuffed salmon and my shrimp scampi. So that's what they're gonna go in. And we'll see what other decorations they have. But I'll probably end up going to Dollar Tree because okay, so I didn't see nothing in in Party City. So I'm going Dollar Tree now and see what kind of decorations they have. Just looking for red, white, and blue stuff. So let's see what they got. Okay, so they got blue in the round. So it's one round table and it's a few rectangle. So we'll get a blue round and then probably a red rectangle for the 2 red tables. And then I'll get some plates, some red plates. And they don't have any blue plates. So the plates only they have are red and white. Don't look like they have any cups at all. Hello? I'm gonna just have to go to Walmart because they only got the cheap round plates.
She's over at the restaurant. I'm at the store.
Yeah, I'm just have to go to Walmart. Okay, what's up, y'all? So today we are gonna be doing decorations from the dollar store. So it's Labor Day, so we got red, white, and blue decorations. So we want to be doing some decorations. So this is some of the stuff that I got from the dollar store. $1, $1.
And what are you over here doing?
I'm making a video for my channel.
Hey, channel.
So this is all of the Dollar Tree decorations. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Okay, so this is how you do the cup, the napkin in the cup setup, okay? So you're gonna take your cup. Normally you can use the small little colored cardboard cups, but these are the red, hard plastic cups. Okay, you take a napkin. This is a dinner napkin, not the cocktail napkins that are really small. You take it, you open it out. Since it has decorations only on one side, okay, I take my fingers and I make a loop, a ring like that. Okay, so I pinch it and I take the loop. See that? And I put it in the cup. And then I'm just fixing the napkin so you can see the decoration. Well, actually, it goes this way. You take it, pull it up like that. Okay, so now we're doing a plate setting. It's just a fork on the left, a knife, and a spoon. So we did it for every plate setting. Fork, knife, and a spoon. Fork on the left, knife, and spoon.
Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me da 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 da.